So now is the time to get down. Hello everyone, welcome to in another vlog. I hope you guys are doing extremely well. Yes, this vlog is special to me because I have crossed 50 subscriber and it is one of the milestone for me. Within some 5 or 6 days we have crossed 50 subscriber. Now we have the team of 50 people. So thank you all of you guys for supporting me, for motivating me to make the videos every alternate day, and it's an immense pleasure for me that I am creating the content and you guys are liking it. I request all of you guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, you just subscribe it out. ये जो लाल कलर का जो बटन है ना, उसके साथ जितना मन का भरा से सब निकाल दो, जस्ट ठोक दो लाल का बटन, ठीक है? So without wasting the time, we'll just start our today's video. तो guys चालू करें today's video. चलो let's start. Hey guys, I have received one more parcel from Amazon. So let's unbox it.
अबे जल्दी बोल, मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
चलो unbox करते हैं.
मजा आया और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूँ.
So hey guys, this is the product. I have already opened it. So if you just see it out, so it's a portable tire inflator and it is very useful. It is from Osher itself. So I purchased it from Amazon and it costed me around 1100. And if you just look into it, you will get 1 year's warranty and 6 months of free warranty. Sorry guys, 6 months of free warranty. And this is a very important product and I'll just try to show like what's inside the box. Inside you will get something like that, and if I just try to open it out, so this is a complete box from Osher itself. It's a very nice touch, I'll say. Here is the actual product. So this is the Osher tire inflator, and if you see here, you will get an analog gauge meter. I will say it's a very important as well as pocket friendly, and it comes with that type of charger which you will plug in into your car. And along with that, you will get one tag from Osher itself. So this is the tag you will get, and this is the warranty card you will get from Osher. So it is coming with 1+1 of warranty. That is what you will get inside the box. And this is some manual, so you just go through it if you find anything useful, because it's fine, like if you just see the product you will come to know how to use it. And here we reached our ultimate dirty garage, guys. To do, I'll just try to give a quick demo of this Osher tire inflator. And ये रहा हमारा कार, बहुत ही गंदा तरीका से पड़ा हुआ है. We'll just experiment on this tire. And before starting this product, what you need to do, you need to start your car. So I will go here. Oh shit, man. From here I just switch on the ignition of that car so that it will not create any issue in the later time. So this is my car, the gear is on neutral, and here it is. So here is the charging port. Okay, so you will get one light indicator which indicates that okay, it will start working now. You can easily purchase this product because you can see the wear length is very big. The wear will easily come into your tire. So guys, see here, now the tire is completely fine and I am extremely satisfied with this product. So because it is working perfectly and you can see the tire condition. Hey guys, just after a long time, it's about 7 days, I am going outside because I need one external hard disk that I was supposed to buy earlier. But now is the time to get it because Mac is completely full, so it doesn't have any storage right now. And yeah, it's like irritating. Why guys, why, like भाई एप्पल के साथ क्या इशू है? प्राइस इतना हाई रहता है हर एक प्रोडक्ट का, भाई तुम स्टोरेज भी नहीं दे सकते हो, थोड़ा स्टोरेज भी दिया करो ना. So now I am thinking that I'll go to Reliance Digital, but I'm not sure whether it's open or not. चलो चलते and we'll figure out which one to buy. I guess I'll not buy an SSD as of now. I don't have the budget. I'll just buy one HDD one, like the external one, and let's see like how it's work. And I hope everything will be fine. Experience will be fine. Chalo, let's go. See, this is what I hate about. It's like always a traffic jam are going on. अभी हो रहा हमारा destination Reliance Digital, but I don't know whether I'll be able to park there or not. हाँ. So ये रहा है हमारा प्रोडक्ट. So you can see it out. So here's the unboxing, and it seems fine. So अंदर शूट अलाउड नहीं था रिलायंस के अंदर. So now I am heading towards the parking place. So here's the my car. But ये पूरा नया parking place है. Like earlier it was not there. So if you are traveling towards Reliance train, you can easily find out this parking place. So this is the product. I'll just try to unbox it out. So when I'll go home, I'll unbox it out. So this is क्या पार्किंग है भाई. थोड़ा तो जगह दे दो भाई जाने के लिए. कुछ जगह है ही नहीं. ओ कट टू कट. चलो 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 चलो. हाँ निकल गया. यही होता है बवाल इधर का. और एक गाड़ी आ गया. क्या कर सकते हो? कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो. सो अगेन भाई साहब, আগু 500 টাকা খুঁজছে কোন না গো? আমাদের নেই গো, কি করব? না এ বাবা দাঁড়াও দাঁড়াও.
झूठ बोलो, बार बार झूठ बोलो, जो भी बोल सकते हैं सब झूठ बोलो.
सो ये आ गया हमारा अच्छा दिन. छुट्टा करवाने के लिए शर्ट खरीद लिया.
क्या बढ़िया था गुरु.
So finally I reached home, but I don't know, like it was completely hectic, man. The traffic was so much, and yeah, since people are getting back into normal life. So, but you should take all the precaution if you are going outside, because still it's not completely eradicated, and the virus is there. So I have taken all the protection, but let's see what happens. But I guess everything will be fine, right? Peace. And if you guys like the content for whatever the reason, kindly like it, subscribe it and share with your friends, because your one share, like and subscribe will create a huge difference for me. So hope we'll meet in the next vlog. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and bye bye.